Hi everyone, we are going to evaluate the quantity a here. So a equal to cube root of 20 plus square root of 392 and then plus with cube root of 20 minus square root of 392. Okay, so now I'm going to solve a full solution for you and I'm going to tell you the method. How can we find the values? Okay, so let's go straight to the full solution together. So we have this quantity, and the first thing is to cube both sides of the equation because we want to get rid of this cube root, yeah? So then we have to cube both sides of the equation. So we will get a raised to cube, and then equal to this side of the equation raised to cube, okay? So now what we have to do, we have to expand this, but this is gonna be related to a formula. So I'm going to remind you a formula that we are going to use it to expand this quantity. Okay, so the formula is a plus b and then raised to cube. So a plus b raised to cube will be equal to a cube and then plus 3a square and time with b and then plus 3ab square plus b cube, and then it could be written as a cube plus b cube and then plus, so these two terms here we have 3ab in common and then we will get a plus b like this. Okay, so now I'm going to expand this formula here, a plus b raised to cube here, and it will be expand in the form of this one, yeah? Okay, so then I'm going to expand this in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and then factor a plus b. Okay, we got a cube here equal to, so this stands for a and this stands for b. Okay, so when we got a cube, that means this raised to cube. All right, so then when we have this raised to cube, so it will be 20 plus square root of 392. Okay, and then plus with b cube, which is here, we have this raised to cube, and then we have to simplify cube root with the cube. We will get 20 minus square root of 392. Okay, all right, and then plus 3ab and times a plus b here. Okay, so but now I can just calculate this first. So we got 20 plus with 20, which is equal to 40, and here we have this and minus this, so we can cancel it out. So then a cube plus b cube, which is equal to 40. Okay, and then plus 3ab. So 3ab mean we have to take this, yeah, here, and then multiply with b, which is multiply with this one. Okay, all right, and then we have to time with a plus b. So a plus b, which is a and then plus with b here, so that will be equal to a here. Okay, so we can substitute a plus b here by capital letter A. Okay, then now we have to look at these two factors. So these two factors, which is related to another formula, which is a plus b factors a minus b. So this formula, which is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so then we will be using this formula to apply these two factors. So then we can write this here like this. Okay, so then now we have 20 square minus square root of 392 raised to square. So then it will be equal to, so I keep this still the same, and here we have 20 square, which is equal to 400, and here is square with the square root. We can simplify, so then we will get 392, yeah, here. Okay, so then now we will get this. So here we got 400 minus 392 will be equal to 8. Okay, so cube root of 8 will be equal to 2. So then, so we're gonna multiply 3 with 2, okay, like this. All right, so that will be equal to 6a here. Okay, so now we got a cube here, and then we're gonna move this to the left hand side. We will get minus 6a minus 40, and then equal to 0. Okay, so now we have to find the values of a. So then a and the values of a is greater than 0. Okay, so now we have cube root equation here. So what we have to do, we have to solve it by factorizing this equation. Okay, so if we factorizing this equation, we will get this. Okay, so this equation can be factored into two factors like this. Okay, so now we have two factors equal to 0. Then we can give each factors equal to 0. Okay, then now we will get this factor equal to 0 and this factor also equal to 0. Okay, all right, so then next we will get this factor. We can move negative 4 to this side of the equation. We will get positive 4, right? So that will be a equal to 4, and this one equal to 0, but for this equation it has no root in real numbers, so that means a is not belong to real number. Okay, so we don't have to solve this equation, we just reject it and we only accepted a equal to 4 is the answer. Okay, so then therefore a equal to 4. Okay, so now we have finished solving this question, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe and put the bell ring to get all the notification when we upload our new videos. And goodbye, see you in the next video.